Okay, we're out in Cheektowaga. There was some wind damage on a little ranch out here. So she had a couple of things happen, things flying around here. So what this is an old double 5 siding. It's at least 25 years old would be my guess. They've been here for 16. It was on before they moved in. So that being said, they had the problem with this is it's first off, it's so brittle. To be able to unzip this and take it apart is going to be almost impossible because it's just going to crack in your hands, almost like eggshells. So we got a piece over here that got damaged by some debris hitting it, and somewhere's around the corner like here. Normally we could take a piece off and replace it and pop it in, but there's two issues here. First off, they don't make this siding anymore. It's a real deep wood grain siding. And second off, obviously it's too brittle and it's faded. So anything that gets replaced here is going to stick out like a sore thumb. We got wind damage on the bottom over there. There's another piece underneath that window that's busted, and then right in through here. So there's about 4 sections over here that got to be addressed. So what I'm going to recommend doing is coming right from that outside corner around the front to this front corner post. Because if you don't, it's gonna look like hell. And with that, we've got to remove the siding. She's got a 1/2 inch leveling board there, which we'll go ahead and replace what's missing there. These lights have to come off and go back on. The trim can stay except for the damaged trim here, and this is a PVC coated aluminum. So what we have to do is we have to take apart the weather stripping on the door, pop that loose, pull the trim out. Unfortunately, this trim is tucked underneath the upper trim, which is the way it's supposed to be. So to get this off, we're going to damage that. So what that does is that entails all the way around the garage door to be removed and trimmed. Okay. You can't even leave the accessories up because they're going to be such a different color. So we're going to come in with the J channel all the way through, siding off, J channel all the way through, and then all the way to the back of the house. Okay, that's really what needs to be done. That would not be obtrusive and look like hell. So I'll get this square footage of everything, right down the steps, and remove and reinstall that downspout and stuff like that. And get that all in detail for you. We've got a pipe bib there for the plumbing. We've got a dryer vent there, and a water meter. So those all have to be addressed too to get around.